Welcome back. Let us consider the remaining factors affecting location of industry. Number 4, availability of capital. Capital is required for setting up an industry, for its running and expansion. The availability of capital at cheap rates of interest and in adequate amounts can greatly influence the siting of an industry. 5. Availability of labor. Availability of both skilled and unskilled labor is another factor to be considered. The cost of labor is cheap when they are in abundance. Therefore, industries should be located in an area where there is abundant supply of labor. 6. Adequate transport network. Transport is required to move raw materials to industrial sites and finished goods to the market or area of consumption and use. Transport could be through road, sea, or air. 7. Political stability. A politically stable environment will attract many industries than a place of instability. Investment also thrive where the environment is conducive and attractive. Other factors to be considered when siting an industry include existence of industrial estate, climatic conditions, nearness to other firms, government policies, and others. Let us now consider localization of industries. Localization of industries refers to concentration of firms or industries producing similar goods in an area to be able to harness the advantage accrued from economies of scale, as well as to promote economic development. The place where industries are concentrated is called industrial estate. Examples of industrial estates in Lagos State are Ilupeju Industrial Estate and Ikeja Industrial Estate. Factors affecting localization of industries. Some of the factors which influence concentration of industries in a particular area include the following. 1. Availability of infrastructural facilities. Industries are concentrated in an area where there are availability of infrastructural facilities such as good roads, electricity, ports, and others. 2. Access to raw materials. The availability of raw materials near the location of industry helps in reducing cost of transportation and total cost of production. It is due to this reason that many industries are concentrated in the area where raw material is available in abundance. Number 3, joint research and training centers. Research and training centers can easily be jointly established since all the firms involved are producing similar goods. 4. Government policy. Government may deliberately formulate policies that promote human development. Based on this, industrial estates may be encouraged to promote development of certain areas. 5. Availability of market. There is tendency of concentrating industries in an area where there is readily available market. The goods produced can easily be brought to the market and there can be much savings from transportation cost. 6. Availability of manpower. concentrated in a particular area because of the presence of abundant skilled and unskilled labor. We shall examine advantages of localization of industries after this short break.